how to fix charging on hold on iPhone. So if you're facing a problem which says charging will resume when iPhone returns to normal temperature, then first and most important, you need to just let your iPhone cool down. If it's been in direct sunlight, inside a hot car, or you've been using it heavily while charging, the temperature can rise quickly. So unplug your charger, remove the phone case if you're using one, and place the phone in a cool, shaded area. Avoid using for a few minutes, especially for things like video recording, gaming, or GPS. Wait around 10 to 15 minutes and then plug it back in to see if it starts charging again. Next, you need to try turning off the optimized battery charging. Sometimes optimized battery charging can delay or pause charging based on your usage patterns. To do that, you need to open up your settings application. From here, you need to navigate to the battery section. And from the battery, you need to scroll down, go with battery health and charging, and go with optimized battery charging. You need to go and toggle this button off. Choose turn off until tomorrow, which means the feature will be disabled temporarily just for the rest of the day. After that, optimized battery charging will automatically turn back on the next day. Once that's done, you need to plug your phone in again and check if charging continues. Lastly, you need to try force restarting your iPhone. Force restarting your iPhone won't delete your photos or data. It's simply a reboot that fixes your temporary glitches. To do a force restart, you need to quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on your screen. And wait the iPhone to restart. Just press the power button and it will restart. Make sure to do this quickly. If you go too slow, then Siri might activate instead. So that's it, a quick and easy force restart for your iPhone. This process helps fix any minor software glitches or bugs that might have been causing problems. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.